Welcome to the iX Media Manager video tutorial. The Media Manager tool allows you to request ad hoc campaigns on a pay-as-you-go basis or through your pre-existing marketing subscriptions. All budgets, artwork, communication, and approvals can be facilitated through the Media Manager Hub. So let's get started. Please sign in to Dealer Gateway by inserting your username and password. Once you've logged in, please look to your left and under Module List, please select Media Manager. Please select Admin and Dashboard. If it's your first time using Media Manager, there will be no campaigns present. However, your dashboard is where you will usually find existing campaigns and the statuses they are in. Statuses such as Design in Progress, Awaiting Design Approval, Setup in Progress, Active, and Ended. These statuses give you an accurate update on where each campaign is. On the right of your screen, you will find DCM Suggestions. This section will feature suggestions from your digital campaign manager. These will be based on their findings related to previous campaign performances. Let's get started by creating a new campaign. Please select Add Campaign. A window will pop up with fields for you to fill out. Step 1. What are we advertising? Please fill in your campaign name. Example, New Polo Sedan. Please select a department. In this case, we will select the new car department. Under campaign information and comments, please provide us with your campaign information and any additional instructions, such as a theme you would like us to adhere to. Next is the start date. The day you select is the day you want your campaign active from. Next is Upload File. This option is for you to provide us with templates of your choice or images you prefer us to use. Once the information has been added, please click on Next. Step 2. Where are we advertising? Please select the advertising products you would like to use in your campaign. Example, let's advertise this campaign on Facebook. Let's select a banner design to go on my website, and let's have an email campaign sent out. Once you select the products, please click on Next. Step 3. Select quantities. What are remaining credits? It is the credit you have available to you to utilize. If you have used all your credits, you have the option to select extra budget and you'll be invoiced accordingly on an ad hoc basis. Let me tell you more about staggered and full throttle. Staggered is when your budget is applied evenly throughout the month. The budget will be utilized over a 30-day time period. And full throttle is when your budget is applied aggressively to maximize lead potential. The budget will be utilized over a 7 to 14-day time period. When you select banner design, you have the option to tick the destination on where you would like the artwork added to. Example, would you like us to post the design on your website, Facebook page, or Google My Business profile? Once you're happy with the products and the quantities, please select Next. Step 4. Confirm. Step 4 is where you will find the products you have selected, which also gives you a breakdown of what you will be charged for on an ad hoc basis should you not have credit available. You have the option to go all the way back to step 1 by clicking on the previous button. Once you're happy with the information, please select Confirm and Submit. In just 4 easy steps, your campaign has been created and an automatic task has been sent to your digital campaign manager. Once your campaign is created, you will find your campaign listed in your dashboard. To view the details of your campaign, please click on the campaign name. You have an option to add further comments, suggestions, and files to an existing campaign. Once you load a comment, your DCM will be alerted immediately. If your DCM adds a comment or artwork for approval, you will receive an email immediately in your mailbox. All communications can be done through Media Manager, including artwork approvals and declines. Once the artwork has been approved, the DCM will ensure that all relevant departments activate the campaign accordingly. Once the campaign is live, the DCM will log into Media Manager and mark your campaign as active. Thank you for watching the Media Manager tutorial. Should you require a more detailed training on Media Manager, please feel free to reach out to our client support department by emailing support@ix.co.za or simply call us on 087 551 1446.